When you search for portable wood-burning stoves, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Gas 1GS 3400P. Let's kick things off with the Gas 1GS 3400P. This dual-fuel stove caught my attention right away, especially at a price point of just $27.52. If you want a reliable stove that can handle both butane and propane, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to run on a single butane cartridge or a propane cylinder, and it features an automatic piezoelectric ignition. Imagine no more fumbling with lighters or matches to get your fire going. The built-in safety features like the pressure sensor cartridge ejection system add that layer of peace of mind while you're cooking outdoors. It has a solid 4.6-star rating from over 14,900 reviews, and it's been purchased by 9,000 people just in the past month. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it's a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a stove that delivers reliability and versatility while still being portable, I think this is a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you're someone who camps regularly and needs a dependable cooking solution. Skip this one if you need something ultralight and compact for solo backpacking. For the price, it really offers great value for what you get. Now, if the size of the Gas one bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ohuhu Camp Stove. Next up is the Ohuhu Camp Stove. Priced at just $19.99, this little powerhouse instantly caught my eye. If you're after something compact and lightweight for your outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. The Ohuhu Camp Stove weighs in at only 12.8 ounces, making it incredibly portable. It assembles in seconds with no tools required, so if you're out hiking and want to whip up a meal, you'll be ready in no time. Plus, it's made from durable stainless steel, meaning it can handle the heat without any issues. The wide compatibility with various fuel types allows you to get creative, whether it's solid fuel tablets or twigs you find along the way. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable ash catcher lets you control the heat, so you can grill or warm up food just the way you like it. Now, some users reported that the stove can be a bit tricky to stabilize on uneven ground. But honestly, if you're using it in a typical camping setup, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, just find a flat surface. This is perfect for you if you're a backpacker looking for a minimal weight option. Skip this one if you prefer something sturdier for larger cooking tasks. For what you pay, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for outdoor gatherings. Product number 3, Solo Stove Bonfire. Now let's chat about the Solo Stove Bonfire. With a price tag of $269.99, it's on the higher end of the spectrum, but this one really blew me away. If you want a smokeless fire pit that enhances your outdoor experience, this is worth a serious look. The Bonfire is designed to be smokeless, which means you can enjoy the warmth and ambience without the irritation of smoke in your eyes. Weighing around 21.75 pounds, it's still portable enough to take along on trips. The durable stainless steel construction ensures it'll last through many campfire seasons. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the removable ash pan. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect for both cozy nights at home and adventurous camping trips with friends. Now, some people noted that it's a bit heavy if you're looking for something to carry on long hikes. Here's the thing though, if comfort around the fire is your priority, the weight may be worth it. This is perfect for you if you enjoy entertaining outdoors and want a stylish fire pit. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for backpacking. It's a quality investment for your outdoor lifestyle. Now, if you're looking for something more traditional for heavy cooking, the next stove might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove. Next is the Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove, priced at $159.99. This caught my attention for its versatility and robust design. If you're after a stove that doubles as both a heater and a cooking option, this is worth a serious look. This stove is built to burn wood, making it ideal for camping or backyard use. The galvanized steel firebox is durable, and the cast iron door adds to its sturdiness. The top surface can be used for cooking or keeping pots warm, which is a huge plus when you're outdoors. It comes with 5 interlocking stovepipes and detachable legs, making it surprisingly portable despite its robust appearance. With a rating of 4.1 stars from over 2,200 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among many. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit heavy at 42.4 pounds. But I'll be real with you, if you're serious about outdoor cooking and need something that can handle the heat, this weight is manageable when considering its capabilities. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and functional stove for both cooking and heating. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for quick trips. For the price, it offers solid value considering what it can do. Finally, if you're after something smaller and more portable for quick fires, let's check out the last option. Product number 5, Solo Stove Mesa XL. Last but not least, we have the Solo Stove Mesa XL, priced at $81.99. This compact fire pit is perfect for anyone needing a smaller option that still packs a punch. If you want a smokeless tabletop fire pit for gatherings, this is worth a serious look. The Mesa XL is only 7 inches wide but is crafted from durable stainless steel. It's perfect for those nights when you want to enjoy a cozy fire on the patio or when camping. It features dual fuel capability, allowing you to burn wood or pellets, making it flexible for various occasions. The included stand ensures stability on any surface, which is a thoughtful touch. Plus, cleanup is easy, so you spend less time worrying about ash and more time enjoying the fire. Now, some customers found it a bit small for larger gatherings. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something portable that still delivers a great fire experience, its size can actually be an advantage. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, portable fire pit for outings or the backyard. Skip this one if you're hosting a large crowd and need a bigger fire. For the price, it's a great value for a smokeless fire pit. That wraps up my top 5 picks for portable wood-burning stoves. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most to you before making a choice. To recap, we've explored the Gas 1GS 3400P for versatility, the Ohuhu Camp Stove for portability, the Solo Stove Bonfire for a smokeless experience, the Guide Gear for robust cooking and heating, and the Solo Stove Mesa XL for compact outdoor gatherings. Each of these stoves brings something unique to the table, so think about what you need most for your adventures.